Alright, for all y'all out there that think you can't eat milk, you can't eat milk, okay? See this milk right here? Frozen. Solid. I'm about to freaking eat this. And if I can't eat it, then it's not true. Alright? Let's get this done. Hold up. Ladies and gentlemen, your dang milk, frozen solid, into the spoon. The fuck? The fuck? You can do it? That's disgusting. It says cinnamon challenge. I should call it the milk challenge, my nigga. I should call it that. It's disgusting. Frozen milk. Freaking so. It is possible to eat frozen milk. I'm guessing, but it's like disgusting as fuck. So yeah. Frozen milk. Can't believe you can do it. Yeah, but look to do this. I don't know how you can do it, but I guess you just can, which is disgusting. So I just ate some frozen milk, which I do not know you can really eat milk. Which, if you eat milk, I think it's kind of really disgusting. So, frozen milk, taste buds, just baller. Peace out.